वो मैं कसर ये लग
In a breaking news report from Quetta, with first visuals of activist Dr. Mehrang Baloch, post a sequence of legal violations and state overreach in the case of Dr. Mehrang Baloch and fellow activists from the Baloch Yekjehati Committee. After spending more than 3 months in an administrative detention center, Dr. Mehrang Baloch and 5 others, Bibo Baloch, Gulzadi Baloch, Biberg Baloch, Sibgatullah Shahaji, and Mama Ghaffar Baloch, were expected to finally walk free today. Instead, in what rights activists are calling a blatant abuse of legal process, they were rearrested on baseless and seemingly fabricated charges just hours before a scheduled judicial review that could have ordered their release. Here's the full sequence of events. Since March, the activist had been held under Section 3 of the Maintenance of Public Order Act, a preventive detention law, without formal charges or trial. Today, a judicial board hearing had been officially scheduled for 12:30 p.m. to assess the legality of this prolonged detention. But at 7 a.m., the superintendent of Huda District Prison in Quetta informed the detainees that their MPO orders had been withdrawn. By 10 a.m., a police team arrived, not to release them, but to rearrest all 6 activists, this time under new FIRs filed under anti-terror laws. They were immediately presented before the anti-terrorism court in Quetta, where officials from the counter-terrorism department falsely claimed that the judicial board had already reviewed and cancelled the MPO orders. This was not true. In reality, the judicial board, including the Chief Justice of the Balochistan High Court, had not yet met and was still scheduled to convene at 12:30 p.m. On hearing of the rearrest, family members and legal counsel rushed to the High Court and confirmed that the hearing was still scheduled and had not issued any ruling at that point. When the board finally met at 12:30 p.m., they formally ordered the release of Dr. Mehrang and the other detainees in the 3 MPO case. But the state had already moved faster than the law. Before that release order could be executed, the activists were already booked under fresh FIRs and handed over to police on a 10-day remand by the anti-terrorism court. Dr. Mehrang has now been transferred to the Special Security Court in what is widely seen as a tactic to prolong her incarceration and evade judicial scrutiny. These are the first visuals of Dr. Mehrang and her fellow detainees since they were picked up over 3 months ago. Despite the ordeal, Dr. Mehrang flashes a victory sign, signaling resilience and defiance in the face of this continued crackdown. Legal experts have called this a calculated attempt to subvert the judicial process using misrepresentation and manipulation of timelines to preempt due legal review. It reflects a disturbing trend, the weaponization of law to suppress peaceful dissent and silence Baloch human rights defenders. In the eyes of many, this is not just legal misconduct, it's a mockery of justice. And as Dr. Mehrang and others remain behind bars under questionable charges, questions mount over the state's intent and the shrinking space for civil liberties in Pakistan.